If you ordered something on TikTok Shop and want now to cancel it or request a refund, this quick guide walks you through both options. So how to begin? First up, open TikTok, tap your profile in the bottom right, depending of course on which device you're using, then select orders and then choose TikTok Shop. Here you'll see all orders, pending, shipped, delivered. You can cancel instantly if the seller has not shipped the item. Tap the order you wish to cancel, tap cancel order, choose a reason and tap submit. You'll get a confirmation and the refund is usually processed automatically. Then make sure to know something. If the order is already shipped, you can't cancel it. Open the order and tap request refund or return. Then choose the reason. For example, wrong item, damaged, doesn't match description, don't want it anymore. Upload photos or videos if required and submit the request. The seller will review it and TikTok Shop steps in if there's a dispute. If the refund requires a return, TikTok will give you a return label, print it and ship the item back. Once the seller receives it, your refund is processed automatically. And refunds usually arrive and are processed within 3 to 5 business days, depending on your bank. And that's all you need to know to cancel your order or request a refund on TikTok Shop. If you want more quick app tutorials like this, let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching.